Ace Comfort Air Conditioning and Heating is the go-to choice for air conditioning repair in Houston, Texas. Our expert technicians provide prompt, reliable service, keeping your home comfortable even during the hottest days. We're dedicated to your satisfaction, offering transparent pricing and efficient solutions. Trust Ace Comfort for all your AC repair needs. Contact our air conditioning repair today for consultation. Are you looking for an air conditioning repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Ace Comfort Air Conditioning and Heating. Why is my air conditioner not blowing cold air but running? Many things might cause your air conditioner to operate but not cool. The thermostat, compressor, or evaporator coils may be to blame. It may also be blocked with dust and dirt, preventing it from operating. What do you call someone who fixes air conditioners? HVACR professionals install, maintain, and repair HVAC systems. HVACR experts install and maintain building temperature and air quality systems. What is your air conditioning repair for the Houston, Texas office? Our local air conditioning repair has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Houston, Cypress, Tomball, Pasadena, Katy, Sugar Land, Baytown, Friendswood, Spring, League City, Harris County, the Woodlands, Humble, Bellaire, Galveston, Angleton, Damon, Eagle Lake, Texas. Where is your Houston, Texas air conditioning repair located? We are located at 1504 Rothwell Street, Houston, Texas 77002. Our phone number is 281-658-5141. Visit our website, www.acecomfort-tx.com/.